On that, private schools have reacted with shock to their inclusion in the closure of schools. Well, KTN's Dorcas Wangera tells us the precarious position the private school heads find themselves in, even as the teachers' union dismissed the move.
Sunrise School, Elgeyo Marakwet County. Classes dismissed Friday, but children won't be going to class come Monday after the government's decision to close schools, both public and private. Proprietors of this and other private schools have expressed frustration and termed the move as uncalled for. The proprietor, Harun Kwambai, asserts that they will abide by the directive.
So we as private schools, we have also our governing body, the Kenya Private Schools Association, which also we are yet also to hear their final decision. But generally we are praying that the government, as they make their decisions based on the strike of the teachers at the moment, we believe that the teachers will get their fair deal, even as the court is still waiting to make its ruling.
The same sentiments are echoed by proprietors in Kisumu, something they say is targeting private businesses unfairly. Many parents have already paid fees for their children. Closure will only serve as counterproductive.
It doesn't seem practical because these are private businesses. It's disappointing. We feel for the public children. Yes, they are our children. The children in public schools, we feel for them. But this is not a solution to the problem. We know the government is hard-pressed. We know the teachers need the money. We know they need to sit down and reach a consensus.
We are not going to take it lying down. You know, it is private business. We close down, we go and stay at home, or we close down and we go to the street.
Form 4s, we are about to sit for our examinations and we are needed to be in school.
Ideally, education should neither be public nor private, but a basic right.
Teach! We want to teach!
The ongoing strike has affected students in public schools the most, with many in private schools still having access to an education. The directive, which the government says is also a security measure, may seem level for both private and public schools, but still does little to bridge the gap and inequalities in the education sector. Dorcas Wangera, KTN News, Kakamega.